Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, multimeter, isopropyl alcohol, and a soft brush for cleaning. Ensure your workspace is well lit and organized. First, carefully remove the back cover of the Asus RC71L. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located along the edges. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. If you encounter any resistance, gently pry open the cover with a plastic spudger to prevent damage. Once the cover is off, inspect the PCB for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. Here, a multimeter will be your best friend. Set it to continuity mode and check for any broken connections. If you find any, don't worry, we'll guide you through repairing them. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert insight without any commitment. Next, let's clean the PCB. Dampen a soft brush with isopropyl alcohol and gently scrub the board to remove any dirt or debris. Pay special attention to connectors and solder joints. A clean surface is essential for effective soldering later on. After cleaning, it's time to repair any broken traces. You can use a soldering iron and solder for this task. Heat the soldering iron and apply a small amount of solder to the damaged area, ensuring a good connection. If you need assistance with this, our service offers pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Once all repairs are made, let's reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips and screws are aligned. Remember, no calls, no travel, you can have your device picked up for repair if needed. Lastly, before powering on the device, do a final check to ensure all screws are tightened and nothing is left loose inside. Now, reconnect the power supply and turn on the device. If everything is working properly, congratulations on successfully repairing your Asus RC71L. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision about any further assistance needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.